Hello friends, welcome back to our channel FabWealth Trading. Alright, so in this video today guys, we're going to dive into the market as usual, and we're going to explore the possibilities that are there for us to make good money this week guys. Alright, the market is just starting out on the Forex pairs and on the crypto pairs. It has been going down all this while. So what are we expecting? How do you need to position yourself? Kindly pay very good attention as we explore what the market is doing for us this week. Now, the charts we are using for this analysis is 4 hours, guys. All right, so let's dive in. So this is the Bitcoin chart. So on the Bitcoin chart, we've been coming down. So what are we expecting? We're still expecting the market to complete this correction and still give us one more drop. It's at this drop there that we'll now start looking for potential reversal. All right, so we are expecting a completion of this correction and one more drop before a reversal. That's on Bitcoin, guys. All right, so on Ethereum is probably the same, and Ethereum on, I think we might be expecting the market to give us this push up, guys. All right, correct itself before it drops. So if you follow suit, expect Bitcoin to do the same on Ethereum. So we're expecting something like this to play out on both Ethereum and Bitcoin. Then if you take a look on the BNB, I think all of them is just, you see, they have that similarity in pattern. You can see the same thing playing out. So we are still expecting this market to at least give us one more push up, guys, okay, before the next potential drop, and there we go. All right, so on Dogecoin, you can see everything is just the same, and that's one thing about cryptocurrency pairs. You know, once Bitcoin determines a move, virtually every other coin follows suit. So we are still expecting at the break of this one more push up before it drops. So that is one thing to note on cryptocurrency pairs. Now let's dive into the Forex pairs this morning. So the first one is the gold. Now, if you take a look on what we'll be explaining for you guys, gold has given us this 3-wave move. So this one is quite stretched. So within this point, guys, there will be a reversal, but there's no buy setup at this point, guys. So there's no buy setup. So we are waiting for a confirmation for a buy setup, but we're not taking any short position again. So wait for something like this to play out, and there you go, guys. So that will be the buy setup that we'll be waiting for. All right, so before the week runs out, we'll update you guys when this setup is completed. Now, if you take a look on the EURUSD, now remember what we posted last time, that we're expecting this and the market actually drop. So within this point, guys, there will be a reversal within here, but the market is not certain yet. So based on how the market is going, we are still expecting a drop here, maybe a bigger correction before it goes up and stuff like this. So we're expecting like something like this to play out, okay, on the EURUSD. So but for the week, we'll be interested in taking a buy position. All right, so expect something like this to happen. Then on the pound USD, I think the market is set to move. All right, it's set to move. So what we'll be expecting is 1, 2, 3, that's ABC, and the market moves, guys. So we'll be expecting to take a long position on the pound USD, guys. All right, so that's what we're expecting. The Aussie, the same thing applies here. All right, so but here now we are expecting one more drop at the completion of this. That will give us 1, 2, 3, one more drop, and within here the market reverses. So we're expecting something like this to play out on the Aussie. Now the pound yen, the same applies here. Here we are expecting the market to complete this move. So here we have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one more push up, then 3-wave down, and there we go. So this is what we're expecting on the pound yen. So the setup now is not completed yet, so we are waiting for the confirmation. Then the EURAUD here, we are biased on the downside because this market has actually rejected here, and if you take a look on the bigger time, you can see what the market is doing. It's been going this corrective structure nature like this. So 1, 2, 3. So we're expecting a completion of this compressed structure, and the market drops to break this low before coming up. So don't miss this trade, guys, because it's going to be explosive. That's what we're expecting. The dollar Swiss, you know, the way it has been going all this while, we are not touching this pair for now, okay, because of the nature of the structure. Right, the structure is not healthy for us, so we're just staying clear out of it. So let's wait, because now we are just waiting for a sell, okay, when we see that sell set up. Okay, so if you take a look on the pound New Zealand, okay, the pound New Zealand, I think we are biased on the downside here, okay. At the break of this, we'll be taking a sell position on this. So expecting it to retest here or break downwards. So we are biased on this side. Then the dollar card, the same thing applies here. At the break of here, we're expecting this market to give us something like this and drop. So expect this move, guys. Don't miss this move. It's coming. On the euro pound, now if you take a look at what the market is doing, we've seen that this move is corrective. So if you can see this, we've seen this is 3 wave up, so we're expecting the market to drop either before continuing up. So at the completion of this, there will be a sell setup that will take here, but the market hasn't completed yet. But wait for this, guys. What might happen here at the completion of, if you go to smaller time frame, the market might give us a short sell setup at this point. All right, so the AUDCAD, we are expecting the market to, you know, reverse at this point, guys, and that reversal might be a very, very aggressive. So expect something like this to play out on the AUDCAD. So you might put a buy setup, a buy stop at this point, because definitely the market is going to fill you in. The dollar yen has dropped. It has broke this trend, so obviously we'll be expecting further drop before it tags this high. Okay, so that's what we're expecting to complete this, because this is A, B, C, then it continues up. Okay, that's what we're expecting. Okay, so we're expecting something like this to play out. All right, on the AUD Swiss, here we are expecting the market to drop, okay, because this is just, for us, it's a corrective structure. We've seen this, so we're expecting something like this to play out, you know, because this is in a very big complex mode. So that's how we are looking at it. The AUD yen, this was a beautiful trade, guys. The target actually hit, but now we're expecting, I think there should be one more drop, guys. So expect something like this to play out. One more drop is coming. All right, one more drop is coming. But if you take a look on the bigger time frame, you can see potential drop. You know, I believe this drop is not over yet. So what we're expecting on this is for the completion of this and one more drop. Now remember, trading is a probability game, guys. So you need to learn before you earn. So don't hesitate. Spend time to backtest your strategy. If you're interested in trading and learning how to trade with Thoery, don't hesitate to contact us. We'll be glad to help you, to show you how to analyze the market, you know, for high probability setup. Okay? All right, guys. I wish you guys the best. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.